Hi, in front of me is HTC 12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store. Then type Repost for Instagram. And download this app from this developer. Now open it and go into your Instagram. Pick a photo that you want to download, for example that one, and click on the three dots. Choose Share To and tap on Repost app. Then go back to it. Click one of the options and tap on the photo that you want to download. Click on the square icon to remove the label and tap the middle button. Then click Allow. Now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my photo was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!